If you have no idea where to begin with Pinterest affiliate marketing, this video is for you. Today, we're walking you through exactly what Pinterest affiliate marketing is, what industry is best for you, and the exact steps you need to follow to get your account set up so you can start making money as soon as possible. If you're brand new or just feeling overwhelmed, grab a pen, take 5 minutes, and let's map this out. Hi, I'm Max. I help bloggers, online sellers, and affiliate marketers get their content seen without burning out. Today, I'm walking you through the exact steps to start affiliate marketing from scratch, including how to choose a niche, how to get set up, and how to start pinning the right way so your content gets seen and you can actually start earning. What exactly is Pinterest affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is when you recommend a product or service, and when someone buys that product or service, you earn a commission, basically a referral for the sale. You'll get a special tracking link for these products, and we'll use Pinterest as our way of getting these products and these pins to customers' eyes who are searching for these items. Make sense? Let's get into it. Step 1, choose a niche, or in simpler terms, your focus. It's what do you want to be known for? I know this might sound limiting, but it's actually the opposite. Picking a specific niche builds trust. For example, if you're the gardening guy or the tech gift person, your recommendations feel way more legit than if you're just posting random stuff. There's no one right way to pick a niche, but here are 3 ways to figure out what might work for you. Number 1, start with what you already have. If you've got a blog or a shop or any kind of social presence, build on that. For example, if you already run a food blog, you could start promoting kitchen tools, cookware, or pantry products, anything that naturally fits with your existing content. Number 2, follow trending topics. So head on over to Pinterest Trends at trends.pinterest.com and check out what's already hot. You'll still want to narrow it down. For example, instead of just what's trending, maybe you look at what's trending in women's fashion or what's trending in fitness. That's your niche. Then you ride the trends inside of it. If something constantly showing up at the top, it might be your signal to jump in. Number 3, you can chase high-ticket commissions. This route is tougher, but the payouts are bigger. You'd start by researching affiliate programs that offer high commission rates, like software or furniture, and then build your niche around those products. So again, there's no wrong way to do this, but you do need to pick a niche in order to move forward, because everything else builds on this. Step 2, set up a Pinterest business account. You can either convert an existing personal account into a business account or start fresh and create a brand new one that's tied to your niche or brand. Totally up to you. Whichever you choose, I highly recommend keeping a singular focus. That means your profile name, your bio, your board names, everything should reflect the niche that you're trying to grow in. If your account has old boards for a baby shower or how you remodeled your kitchen, and now you're suddenly posting about tech products, it's going to confuse both Pinterest and your audience. You're way better off being dialed in from the start. Either way, you need a business account, not a personal one, because it gives you access to analytics, performance insights, and advanced features like rich pins and the ability to run ads if you ever want to. If you need help with how to set up Pinterest for Business, we've got a full walkthrough and I'll link it in the description below. Step 3, setting up a website or a landing page. Before you freak out, let me explain. Now, technically, yes, you can drop your affiliate links directly into your pins, but Pinterest doesn't really love that. They'd much rather you send people to a website first, whether it's a blog post that explains the product, a roundup of your favorites, or a simple landing page. For example, top kitchen tools for busy moms. This can be a clean, one-page list of helpful products. It doesn't need to be fancy, it just needs to give people context before they hit a sales page. Quick tip, the more variety in your links, the better. Pinterest doesn't want you pinning the same exact URL over and over again. So even if you're starting with a super simple website, try creating 5 to 10 different pages. That way you're creating new, fresh links and not spamming the same destination every day. We recommend using Hostinger to set up your site. They've got one of the cheapest website hosting plans out there, and you can register your domain name, that's your URL, get privacy protection, and use their AI builder to build a website in under 30 minutes. It's super beginner friendly, and as always, I'll link that and any other relevant tools in the description below. So why do you need a website? A lot of affiliate programs won't approve you unless you have a website or some kind of digital footprint. Some might even want to see content published for a few weeks before accepting your application. So a simple site will give you credibility and help you get your foot in the door. Step 4, this is optional, but you may want to set up your other social media accounts. That could mean grabbing your username on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Even if you're not ready to post yet, it helps keep your brand consistent and give you flexibility down the line. Now, if you're planning to stay Pinterest only, don't overthink this step. You don't need to be everywhere. A website plus Pinterest is more than enough to get started and to start earning some money. But if you think you might repurpose your content later and start turning pins into short videos or doing product reviews on YouTube, go ahead and secure those names now so you've got them when you're ready. Step number 5, do trend and keyword research. So once you've chosen your niche and you've set up the basics, the next step is figuring out what kind of products people are already searching for on Pinterest. To do that, you're gonna head to Pinterest Trends at trends.pinterest.com. It's a free tool that shows you exactly what's trending in real time. So you can use this tool to spot seasonal content spikes like gift guides going out in November or home organization in January. You can find keyword ideas and use these in your pin titles and your board names and your descriptions. And you can also understand what people are already interested in, so you're not just guessing what products will sell. While this tool is technically showing you keywords, what you're really looking for here is product opportunities. So here's the trick. Once you choose a niche, you want to stay inside it, but follow the trends within that space. So instead of searching what's trending, search for what's trending in women's fashion or what's trending in products for home offices. That will give you a focused list of ideas that you can actually build content around and find affiliate products for. Step 6, join affiliate platforms. Now that you've got your niche, your setup, and some product ideas, it's time to find these products and the affiliate links. To do this, you're gonna need to join one or more affiliate platforms. So affiliate platforms are networks that connect you with thousands of brands. So instead of applying to each company separately, you apply to one network and have access to a bunch of options. Some of the most popular platforms are ShareASale, Impact, CJ Affiliate, Amazon Associates. But if you're not sure which one's right for you, just Google something like best affiliate programs for my niche in 2025. For example, best affiliate programs for home decor bloggers or top fitness affiliate program. You'll find tons of updated blog posts and comparison guides. So do a little digging and see what feels best for you. Once you've joined a platform, you can search by product type, by company, or by commission rate. Some platforms will offer commissions as low as 5%, others are 50%, especially for digital products or software. So the key here is to make sure that the products match the trends you found in the last step, that they're both a good fit for your audience and a content style. Some programs will accept you right away, while others might be a little pickier, especially if you're brand new or you don't have much content up yet. This is totally normal. Just apply to a few to start, and when you get access to the rest, keep building from there. The more consistent your content, the easier it will be to get accepted into programs down the line. Finally, step 7, start pinning. Once you've got your affiliate links, it's time to start pinning. This is where most people get excited and where a lot of people mess up. So here's what you need to know. Start slow. If your account is brand new, begin by pinning just once per day. Then slowly 2 to 3 per day, 5, 10, up to 20 or 30 per day if you like. Remember, if they all lead to the same link, Pinterest might flag your account as spammy, even if the designs look different. So please start slow. Each pin you publish should be fresh. Fresh means it should have a new image or a new design, a fresh title, a fresh description, and preferably a unique link if possible. This is where that variety of landing pages will come in handy. You'll want to avoid pinning the same exact URL over and over. You'll also want to avoid using any URL shorteners to cloak your links. Pinterest does not like that. And another pro tip, for the first month, I highly recommend pinning manually inside Pinterest. It helps build trust and credibility with the platform and gives you a feel for how it works. To speed the process up, I suggest using Pin Generator alongside it. So Pin Generator is a tool that lets you batch design and create hundreds of pins in just minutes, all with fresh designs tailored to your brand. It uses AI to generate fresh pins, so you're never stuck creating ideas from scratch. You'll get new titles, descriptions, images. It allows you to scale this process effortlessly. After about a month or so, once my account's warmed up, I'd switch back to Pin Generator and use their scheduling feature so that I can stay consistent. We've got tutorials linked below if you want to see exactly how to do that. And that's it. Those are the exact steps to set up Pinterest affiliate marketing in 2025. If you're curious about promoting Amazon products specifically, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel because we've got an Amazon Associates walkthrough coming soon and you don't want to miss this. If this video helped, drop a comment and let me know which part you'd want a deeper walkthrough on. I'm Max. I share weekly videos to simplify Pinterest marketing so you can get your content seen without burning out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week. Let's get generating.